Good. Krauza set. First pitch over, first strike. Krauza set from the belt, ready. Here's the pitch. Fires one right up. Here's the pitch. That one out. Luke the Laker, you're a winner. Swing and a miss.
Foul tip into the Krauza is ready. There goes Navarro. Swing and a miss. He got him. Nestor with a real change. 3-2. Swing and a miss. Got him. Swing and a miss. That's a Krauza the 0-1. Another slider, another strike. And the 0-2. Swing and a miss.
Runs scored. Top of the 6th. There's a wicked breaking ball that 0-2. Swing and a miss. Strike 3.
3-2. Right down.
That's strike 3.
And